think we'll have to go next week.
Okay.
I'm going to the gym.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get some groceries.
Okay.
You need something?
Oh, actually, yeah, we need rice.
Okay, I'll get that too.
Okay.
What is that?
What?
Why do you keep doing that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, fine. Alright, text me if you need something.
Okay.